So you have a lot of education. So you're a registered dietitian. You are a certified diabetes educator. It's now known as they changed the name. It is actually a certified diabetes care and education specialist. That's the technical phrase there. And you're also a certified insulin pump trainer.
Yes.
So you've decided to really go deep and understand the nuances of diabetes, and you can apply that to following the Mastering Diabetes method, and particularly the low-fat, plant-based, whole food lifestyle, which is really powerful. And you live this lifestyle yourself. So talk me through a typical day of eating for you right now.
A typical day for me for eating in the mornings. And in the mornings, I'll do fruits. I love fruits because I have mango trees in mango season, so I freeze them. And so I'll do fruits, blueberries, I'll do bananas, love plantains. So I'll do a mixture of that. And then for lunch, usually maybe like about 2 o'clock or so, I normally, like on the weekends, I prepare my meals. Like I do a cup of baked potatoes, sweet potato, white potatoes. I will do quinoa, brown rice, or mushrooms. So I cook a lot of those things and I put them into my refrigerators in different containers. And beans, I always make like a big pot of beans. I'll do like curry chickpeas. So instead of curry chicken, I'll do curry chickpeas. I'm telling you, the first time my husband made it, the first time for me, the first time you wouldn't believe you're not eating meat. The curry chickpeas, and a lot of times we tend to cook it with coconut. So because I had to change a lot of how we were preparing foods before, so I removed the coconut, and sometimes I'll do use a pumpkin sauce to thicken it up along with the curry. So I'll do some kind of beans for that week, and then when I ready to eat during the week, I just take out all my containers and just add them. Takes me like 5 minutes to put that all together. So a lot of times, even my clients will tell me
it's all about that prep in advance.
That's exactly. And if I'm hungry in between meals, I'll have a piece of fruit. But usually because my meals are so calorie dense, I don't get hungry. But if I do get hungry, I'll do a fruit and a banana or a mango or some kind of fruit I'll eat. So mostly that's what I'll do. And then, drink my water. Another thing that I do, Robby, too, if I know I'm going to have a busy day, like one day this week, I had a busy day from 7 to 7. I mean, I was busy. There was no half an hour where I wasn't busy. What I actually did was take my broccoli and my cauliflower, all my vegetables and my chia seed and my fruits, and I threw it in my Vitamix. And I just blend it up for that day. And I just sip it through the day to keep me, and then eat fruits in between. So I make it a lot flexible, depends on what's going on with me. So I don't use any excuse and say it's because I'm busy or I'm stressed that I can't be healthy. I make it happen, and that's what helped me in my life.
That's amazing. I love that mentality. It's really a choice. You get to decide how important your health is to you, how much of a priority it is. And then when you do make the choice to prioritize it, the results are quite extraordinary, and most people find that it's very, very well worth making it a priority.